with joy, where cooking is simple. Do you know that bananas are a great way to help to get enough potassium each day? Helps to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of heart disease, so eating foods containing potassium is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Today, we want to share this chocolate brownie, no flour recipe. You will need 3 bananas, no skin or peeled, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, nuts, optional, 1.5–2 cup odd chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Smash a bananas with a fork. Add eggs and vanilla. Mix baking powder, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and nuts. Empty it in a already greased glass container. And bake in the microwave for 9 minutes or until well cooked. Use a toothpick to poke it when it's done. Let it cool down and serve it with Cool Whip and honey. Thanks to our viewers. Click the like button, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you, and see you next time on Cooking with Joy. Uh-oh.